Let's explore call verification process for the Jaxl phone. First, choose your country code of your mobile number. Enter your existing phone number, on which Superfeatures shall be activated, and submit. On the next screen you will see a hidden 6-digit verification code. Tap View Code and Call Me to view the 6-digit verification code. In a moment, you'll now receive a verification call from us. In the call, you'll be asked to enter your verification code. Open call screen keypad, and then enter the 6-digit verification code. In this case it was 098261. And that's all. Bingo! Your phone number is now activated with Superfeatures for free, for the lifetime. Happy calling!